What if I told you that the USDA Seasonal Produce list is useful, but most people are using it the wrong way? A lot of shoppers think buying produce in season automatically means cheaper groceries. That's sometimes true, but not always. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the USDA Seasonal Produce Guide strategically, the way grocery stores actually price food, so you can spend less, waste less, and eat better. This is not about blindly following a list. This is about smart spending with leverage. The USDA Seasonal Produce Guide tells you when fruits and vegetables are most likely being harvested in the U.S. That matters because supply is higher, transportation costs are lower, and storage costs are lower. And in theory, that usually means lower prices. But here's the key insight. Seasonality is a probability advantage, not a price guarantee. The USDA Seasonal Produce list tells you what to watch, not automatically what to buy. Here's where people get tripped up. Grocery stores don't price food based on USDA charts. They price food based on promotions, loss leaders, inventory management, and customer traffic patterns. That means an out-of-season item on sale can be cheaper than an in-season item. Some produce is cheap year-round, regardless of season, and sales often beat seasonality. So if you're only buying produce because it's in season, you could be leaving money on the table. Here's how to actually use the USDA list the Spend Thrive way. If it's in season, prices are more likely to be good, quality is usually better, and flavor is usually better. Here's a simple rule when grocery shopping. Buy the lowest price per pound, not the most correct season. If bell peppers are out of season but on sale for 99 cents a pound, that's a win. If tomatoes are in season but overpriced, you skip them. You don't shop by calendar. You shop by price efficiency. Some produce items are cheap almost all year long because they store well. These foods are your price anchors: potatoes, onions, carrots, cabbage, sweet potatoes, apples, and bananas. These types of produce can form the base of a low-cost produce strategy, no matter the season. Let's put this strategy into action. Here's how to grocery shop using this system. Check the weekly store ad first. Second, circle produce under your target price per pound. 3. Cross-reference with what's in season. 4. Build meals around the cheapest produce. And 5. Fill gaps with stable staples or frozen options. In other words, you never plan meals first. You let prices plan meals. Here is the final takeaway. Is the USDA Seasonal Produce list useful? Absolutely. But it works best when you use it as a price probability tool and not a rigid rulebook. In other words, seasonality gives you an edge. Sales give you leverage. Strategy gives you results. That's how you lower your grocery bill without sacrificing nutrition. If you found this helpful and you want to learn how to analyze groceries like investments, cut food costs without cutting quality, and use smart spending strategies to improve your health and wealth, like this video and subscribe to Spend Thrive. Because here, we don't just spend less, we spend smarter.